An Idaho animal rights group is quickly gaining support online. The group calls themselves Citizens of Idaho Against Domestic Animal Abuse. Nearly 2,000 members push state lawmakers to make animal cruelty a felony on the first offense. Our Andrew Bartline spoke with outgoing Boise Councilmember Thomson, who's involved with this group. Andrew, it sounds like Thomson took matters into his own hands to just go ahead and create laws at the city level in Boise instead.
Yeah, Thomson says from his own personal experience, the issue is close to his heart. And instead of sitting around and waiting for laws to change, he used his seat on the Boise City Council to make what progress he can at the local level. He's not shy about it.
I care deeply about their well-being.
Boise Councilmember Thomson is a dog guy, and his passion for animal rights sparked after rescuing his dog Soma from a hoarder.
As a result of that cruel treatment of hoarding, she got diabetes at an early age and she's blind. She gets around great, but you know, that inspired me.
After doing research, TJ learned the Animal Legal Defense Fund ranks Idaho 48th in the country for animal protection laws. Current state law has animal cruelty listed as a misdemeanor. It becomes a felony on the third offense. Animal law attorney Adam Karp says Idaho state legislature added the felony provision in 2012, but it's still behind the times.
It was like pulling teeth just to get Idaho to felonize animal cruelty.
Karp says states like Washington list animal cruelty as a felony on the first offense, and that law goes back to 1994.
Idaho is on the right track, but needs to speed up.
It's this mindset that started the Citizens of Idaho Against Domestic Animal Abuse. Since April 2019, the nearly 2,000 members are asking state lawmakers to make animal cruelty a first offense felony, but little progress is being made.
I would reach out to folks that I had seen had voted against really increasing the standards in the city, in the state of Idaho. And I just couldn't get their attention. It's just not happening at the state level. So the only way we can do it is at the local level.
So TJ spent his entire third and last Boise City Council term rewriting the city's animal cruelty code.
We've got quite literally the gold standard here in the city of Boise, something that I hope that will be replicated in other cities.
But city code can only enforce these laws with fines, and it takes state law to enforce a felony.
I don't think we need to take baby steps. We have already seen the gold standard written in so many other communities like Boise now, and we can just take that and implement it at the statewide level. And all it's going to really do is protect our furry family members, and that's what it's all about. It's about showing compassion. This is a loving state. We love our animals, and this would be the next step.
The attorney we spoke with, Adam Karp, says there are some more progressive aspects of Idaho's law at play. Now, there's a malicious injury to property. If it's over $1,000, that could be used in some cases to charge someone for a felony in regard to animal abuse. Morgan?
But I'm sure it's very difficult to do that, Andrew. And I know TJ Thomson had worked on this for a really long time. I'm just wondering, what are the reasons someone might be against creating stricter animal cruelty laws in Idaho? Is it about hunting?
Well, that's part of it. TJ told us that's some of the pushback he's heard. Hunters feel that there could be a slippery slope, that maybe they could be tagged for something, or even farmers, people that brand their cows. But there are exemptions written into Boise city law. There are exemptions written into other state laws. So if they want to do it, they can, and have those exemptions in place for standard veterinary or farming practices.
They wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel. Like TJ said, they could just take Boise's code and pretty much do the same thing.
Yes.
All right, Andrew, thank you.